Good afternoon, traders. It is Thursday, April 2nd, 2015, and the U.S. stock market is closed. It was kind of a dull day today, but still it was a very significant day, I think. We ended up closing out positive $522, and we're carrying a negative $535 over the long weekend. So if you add the two together, it looks like we lost $13 today. So it wasn't a real exciting day for us, and yet it was quite significant. Yesterday I suggested that the Dow was either going to go up or consolidate and move sideways, and it kind of did a little of both today. It was moving sideways in an upside way. The Dow did close up 65 points today, but if you can see here with the pattern, we had a push up at the beginning of the day. Looked like it might take off, and then it pulled back and basically moved sideways from there. I think this is good action. I think this is going to set us up for a big move possibly on Monday. You can see over here with our last consolidation area what happened. We had this nearly 300-point move. I'm really not expecting that, and I don't know if I even want that. But I do think that there's a good chance here that the market could really explode out of this area. Stocks are oversold. They're good buys down here, and I think that traders are going to come to that realization, and we could see a very strong move on Monday. Keep in mind, tomorrow is a holiday. We have a 3-day weekend, and I think that could even set this up for more of a even stronger move on Monday. It's kind of, traders come back after 3 days and they really want to do something. Anyway, let me show you some of the trading we had today. In trading, shit happens, and today shit happened in SHLD, which is Sears Holding Corporation. And we had bought this thing yesterday. We buy the pop-ups. Usually they work in our favor. This did not work in our favor. It filled the gap. And we ended up, when we got out here, losing about $4,000. That was not a nice trade. And because of that, we were basically in break-even territory today instead of being positive. But that happens. That's why we trade a lot of stocks. A big portfolio tends to balance out. The second one I'm showing you was we got into, and we're still holding. This is OVAS, O-V-A-S, OVAS Science, and we had a pop up here. I thought we had bought the high tick of the day here because it started pulling back, but it turned around, took out that high, and we're actually holding about $1,000 in OVAS Science over the weekend. It looks pretty good to me. And then finally, I'll show you one that we're actually out of, but it was a good trade. We got into Sun Edison yesterday about midday, and it moved out pretty nicely and then popped up, and we got out of here with over $2,000 in Sun Edison. That was very nice, and we got out. We had another good one in Nova Gold. It was also about $2,000. So we had some good trades today, but as I say, we just got kind of stuck with that that trade in Sears Holding Corporation. Hey, before I forget, I want to tell you that I have I finished out the spreadsheet through the first quarter, through March, and we've done really well. I think we have about a 25% gain at the end of the first quarter. And you can look at that on the spreadsheets that are set up there on the website and take a look at them. We've had really 3 solid good months so far in 2015, so I'm really happy. Anyway, you guys have a great long weekend, and I will see you all back here on Monday.